Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Tuesday and marks another trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today being Tuesday, we have employment cost index at 12:30 Ghana time. And we are expecting positive news. Sorry, previous was 0.9. We are expecting 1.0 at 1 p.m. S&P stroke CS composite. We are expecting positive. 145 Chicago PMI. We are also expecting positive. 2 p.m. consumer confidence. We are expecting negative. And that's all for today. All right, that's all for today. So quickly, let's go back to the charts. Let me clear this whole thing. So first of all, daily time frame. Good. Now, if you look at the market now, you can see that this resistance is actually a strong one, where the market has failed, or the market has been struggling to break. All right. It is trying really hard, but it's not giving it chance to break. Okay. Yeah. So what's likely to happen today? Looking at daily, you can see that on Wednesday, last week Wednesday, the market struggled, pulled back to that level, 23.33 level, got rejected. Thursday, same thing, got rejected. Friday, got managed to break that one, but it failed to break the 43 one. 23.43, it failed to break that particular level and got rejected. And yesterday, same thing happened, got rejected again. Even yesterday, candle closed bearish. So what is likely to happen? With this, there can be a strong bearish candle like this. Okay? There can be a strong bearish candle which can close even below 23.15. All right. Because the level is strong enough. Okay? The level is strong enough. So there is a potential sell. You can see that for some days now, the market has failed to push up. Okay. So there might be a sell, right? A sell to the downside. And as if it is selling, then we are looking back at 23.30, 23.00, and 22.89 zone. Right. Yeah. So that is what I personally see. So let's go to H4. Let's go to H4. Maybe something is happening there. Right. So when you look at H4, when you look at H4, let's try and see if we can connect this trend line. Okay. So with the H4 trend line, this is how it will look like. All right. This is how going to look like. Now, if you look at it very well, you can see that the 2343 zone is actually a strong one where the market has failed to reject, and it has been ranging for some time. Okay. So recently you can see that the market has been trading within this zone for a couple of hours, okay, or a couple of days now. So until it breaks to the upside or the downside, the market can no longer go anywhere. You'll still be trading in between that particular zone. Okay. And you can see that the market is also approaching the trend line. The market is approaching the H4 trend line. Yesterday it came there and flew, and it's coming back again. So is it going to fly again? Time will tell. And you can see that it's respected. Look here. Boom. It respected the 2330 zone and flew, and also respected the 2343 zone, and it's selling back, coming back to the trend line. So let's just watch out and see if it respects this trend line, then it will still bounce again. But if it breaks it, it may fall down to 2315 and even 2300. All right. So advice to you, we just have to wait because there is nothing much to say H4 when you look at the markets down. There is nothing much to say about it. So H1, what is happening? You look at H1, yeah. You look at H1, you can see what is happening. And H1, we can still connect a trend line from this end. Yeah, like this. Okay. Yeah, this inner trend line H1. And you can see that recently it's trying to break. It's trying to break. So once it breaks, we'll wait for the major trend line from H4. Okay. So guys, basically, the market is not really printing any kind of good opportunity for us. Okay. So what we need to do is to wait. And looking at what is really happening today, I will not be surprised if gold drops all the way to 2315. I will not be surprised based on what is happening right here. I will not be surprised. All right. So this is the zone 2315. I would like to buy gold from today. Okay. Because this zone is already weak. This one, 23, 24, 24, 25, 24 zone. This zone is weak now. It's weak. So I will not rely on that particular zone again. Okay. So if I want to rely on any zone, then that will be the 2315 zone. When the market comes there, I will take an advantage. All right. Yeah. And if you are looking for chart patterns, I'm not seeing anything. I only see a double bottom, right? Double top formation. It's even 1, 2, triple top formation. So once this level is broken, then gold will come all the way here. So possibly you can look for a retest. If it breaks 2330, you can look for a retest, but there is a trend line here. You shouldn't forget another zone. Okay. So you wait. If the market respects this zone, it will push up again. Okay. Something like this can happen, but I am interested in this. Okay. I am interested in this one. And if I buy from here, I will take first profit here, 23, 24. That's even 100 pips. Then second pips, second 23.30. Maybe that will be my final tip. because that's H4 trend line. So if H4 trend line breaks and you want to buy through, it's not going to happen. All right. So we will just trade what we see. So in this case, the question is it any selling opportunity? There might, but I will wait for the H4 trend line to break before maybe I will sell, but I will sell to the 23.15 zone, and from there I will still look for a buy. So guys, this is all I see in the market today. Okay, what we have to do is to wait and observe the market very well. Once we see any form of opportunity, then we can go into it and pick some trades. All right. Yeah. So just be careful. Don't just throw your money into the market anyhow. Okay. Now you can see that 30 minutes has broken the trend line already. So a retest or a continuation. Sell. As it's coming to this zone 25, 26, 25 zone again. So watch out and see what is going to happen. If it rejects, then you can buy gold again. If it breaks, then you are selling to 23.15, 23.14 to 23.10. All right. So guys, that is all. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must be. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and like. All right. And then make sure you join the Telegram community, which you are going to find the link in the description. If you are watching from TikTok, the Telegram link is in the bio as well. You can join so that you don't miss out any updates. Okay. So until then, I will see you in another video. Make sure to manage your risk very well, because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and SL. It's only risk management that can keep you active in the game for the long run. So until then, I will see you in another video and have a nice day.